Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean GMC Sierra? This might be yours. This is the 2015. Stock number is 7409. Let's show you this super clean truck up close and personal. Take notice of the exterior condition. Absolutely flawless. No dings, no dents. Love those rims and tires. Take a look at those. Those are super, super sweet. It's got the rear power slider. You're going to see that in a second as we approach the interior rear. Leather seats, super low miles on this truck. Moonroof, as you can see. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. By the way, those are power seats. Easy access to all the controls, rear backup camera, fully loaded, low miles, not going to last long. For more information, it's a tongue tire. Call us, email us, text us on this truck. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. I might go take this for a test drive right now. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.